Hi, I'm Leanne, and today we are making what just might be the perfect summer dessert or anytime dessert. It's easy, delicious, picky eater proof, and the entire family is gonna love it. Everybody needs a go-to dessert, and this one is it. Today we're making a dessert that we've been making in our family for years and years, pink lemonade pie. It only takes 3 ingredients and about 5 minutes to put together. All right, the first step is we're gonna add our ice cream into a bowl. Now, I like to let the ice cream sit at room temperature for just a few minutes to let it soften, but you don't wanna let it get too soft. Next, we're gonna add in our lemonade. Now you can totally make this dessert with a regular lemonade or even limeade. Choose whatever you prefer. Now again, I like to let it sit at room temperature for just a few minutes so it can just soften up a little bit and make it easier to get in. Now you're not gonna add any water in with this, okay? You're gonna use the lemonade just straight out of the can. So this is lemonade concentrate. Now you can also do this in your stand mixer. And if you're gonna do it in the stand mixer, just use your paddle attachment. I'm gonna use a hand mixer. Okay, so you're gonna mix it up so it's just nice and smooth and the ice cream and the lemonade are all incorporated together. Now, if you want to make it a little pinker, you can add a couple drops of pink food coloring into it too. All right, then the final step is we're gonna add the ice cream mixture into our graham cracker crust. Now, I'm using a store-bought graham cracker crust. You can of course make one from scratch if you prefer, but then you're gonna have more than 3 ingredients. We've got our nice softened ice cream. We're just gonna add that right into our crust. We're just gonna take our spatula and smooth it into the crust. And then it's ready for the freezer. So we're gonna put it in the freezer for a couple hours to let it harden up to make it easier to slice. One little tip for you, before you put it in the freezer, if you're using a store-bought crust, it comes with this little plastic liner. Flip it over and use it as a lid and cover it right over the top to keep it from getting any kind of freezer burn or anything. All right, our pink lemonade pie is ready to serve. It's been in the freezer for about 4 hours. You can do it the night before and keep it in overnight. You just want to leave it in long enough so that it firms up to make it easy to slice. Now, it's perfect served just the way it is. It really is the perfect summertime or anytime dessert. The combination of the sweetness of the ice cream with the lemonade is perfect. But I like to dress it up just a little bit, so we're gonna add some whipped cream. So to serve it, I'm just gonna slice a piece. All right, we've got it on our plate, and now we're gonna add a little whipped cream. Now, you can whip up your own whipped cream, or you can just use it straight out of the can. Like I said, I like to garnish each piece after I've sliced it versus garnishing the whole pie one time. Add a little whipped cream on top, a little slice of lemon, and you've got the perfect summer dessert. It's easy, it's delicious, it's picky eater proof, and everyone in the family is gonna love it. And now, the taste test. Grab a fork. You can find this easy recipe for pink lemonade pie in the description below. And be sure to check out my other dessert videos here on YouTube. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel by clicking down below, and be sure and turn on that little notification bell so that you'll be notified every time a new video drops here on YouTube.